Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your saved files in the ChatGPT library. And by the way, just a quick heads up, the library feature for both files and images is actually a relatively new rolling update, which means it might not be available to everyone yet. And if you don't see it yet, don't worry, it's still being released. So just make sure your app is up to date. So with that out of the way, let's get started. Now, if you've saved the files or generated images before, ChatGPT now stores them in your library for easy access. To find them, just open ChatGPT and look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. From there, you need to click the library section. But as I mentioned, it's still a rolling out feature, so mine doesn't have it yet. But alternatively, what I can do is click more, then choose images. And from here, I can see all the images I've created and saved before. So that's another way to do this. But if you're lucky and you already have the library section in your account, here's how it looks like. So this is where all your saved files, uploads, and images are organized in one place. Once you're inside, you'll see a list of your content, and you can click on anything to open it or continue working on it. And again, this is still a new feature, so it might not be available on your account yet, but just make sure to always keep your account updated. So basically, that's it. That's how you find saved files and images in the ChatGPT library. Just head to the sidebar, open library or images, and access everything in one place. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.